Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with GitHub Actions using fine-grained tokens, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with GitHub Actions using fine-grained tokens, begin by navigating to your GitHub repository. Click on the Settings tab located in the upper right corner of the repository page. In the left sidebar, find and select Actions. Under the Actions section, click on General. Scroll down to locate the Workflow Permissions section. From here, choose the option that allows your workflows to use fine-grained personal access tokens. Next, proceed to create a fine-grained token. Open the Developer Settings from your GitHub profile drop-down menu. Select Personal Access Tokens from the sidebar. Click on the Tokens, Fine-Grained option. Now, click on Generate New Token. Fill in the required fields, such as token name and expiration date. Under Repository Access, select the repositories you want this token to access. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions based on your workflow needs. Once you've configured the settings, click Generate Token. Copy the generated token immediately, as you won't be able to return to your GitHub repository where you want to use this token. Navigate to the Secrets and Variables section under the Settings tab. Click on Actions, then select New Repository Secret. In the secret name field, input a descriptive name for your token. Paste the fine-grained token into the secret value field. Finally, click on Add Secret to save it. Now that the token is set up, you can access it in your GitHub Actions workflows. In your workflow YAML file, reference the token using the syntax for secrets. This allows your workflow to authenticate securely with GitHub Actions. You have now successfully authenticated using fine-grained tokens. Your GitHub Actions workflows are ready to run with the appropriate permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.